Good evening, everyone. Today is September 26, 2024. Wilhelmina is here to update the price of gold. I do understand that most of the buyer are panicking because of the world market price, because of the geopolitical situations around the globe. The dollar has no value anymore. The big spender, they buy gold because gold has the value and gold will not fade. The price of gold today is getting higher and higher. On 2024, September 2024, the price of gold was 2,633.92 per ounce. In dollars terms, was 84,682.43 per kilo. Then it goes up again to 2,634.5 per ounce. In dollars term was 84,701.08. Now, on September 25, the price of gold was 2,629.1 per ounce. In dollars term was 84,527.46 per kilo. Now today we are now on the 2026, September 26, 2024. The price of gold was 2,664.82. In dollars term is 85,675.89. Now in a moment, the price of gold will turn to 2,700. So on 2,700 times 32.15 could be 86,805 any moment. I warn everyone from previous month and previous year that there would be a prediction that the gold will turn to 85, 84, 86, 87. I was not wrong. And you guys doesn't believe it. You roam around thinking you can get gold for free. Gold is not for free. Our selling price less 8%, you must remember. Whatever the price of the day, you less 8%. That is the price of the gold. Use your calculator. Now, most of the joker broker, they come to Wilhelmina, reject. How many times I reject joker broker? This is not for you if you think that you can earn money just being floating around on the internet. We are now on the internet superhighway. We don't need joker broker. We don't. We prepare to deal directly to the buyer. Because buyer will make a decision, not the joker broker will not make a decision. The joker broker collecting information and they landed to Wilhelmina. Because I'm the only person who put everything on the social media. Right. Now, Mr. Baya, we are now on September 26. Do not wait for the price of gold to turn to 86 or 88 or $90,000. Don't wait because there is a prediction. Before entering 2025, the price of gold will sky the rocket. 3,000 per kilo. 3,000 per ounce. So on 3,000 multiplied by 32.15, Mr. Baya. Okay, this one 3,000 per ounce, 32.15, Mr. Baya. This could be the price. And you're gonna say, oh, Wilhelmina, too expensive. Well, you're buying expensive item. The gold is not cheap. And you said to me on the previous conversation, I don't want to mention the name of the joker broker. Oh, madam, my buyer doesn't want to deal with African. Don't deal. You better buy gold in the central bank of your country. If you are in United Kingdom, you buy gold at the Central Bank of London, there is no discount. We are giving you a discount of 8% because you are buying a raw material which is Doribar, 96, 97 purity. The carat is 22 plus, equivalent to 23. Now, gold has many uses. I've been repeating that many times. I just come here. I just have my live message because I want to inform everyone that the price of gold in a minute will turn to $86,000. I don't know if you can afford, Mr. Baya. You're going to say, oh, well, Amina, I don't want to pay upfront. There is no upfront. There's none. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. There's none. If you don't want to pay the gold, meaning to see your crook, if you don't want to pay the gold before the gold will take out of the country, meaning to see you're a poor guy. A poor guy asking for CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. That guy has a deficiency of cash flow. We are not here to give gold. We are not a charity. We are not charity organization. We are in business. So please, Joker Broker, get out on this business, collecting information, and then suddenly you're gonna ask how much is my commission. You don't know if your buyer is real or not. I don't deal Joker Broker. That's the reason why I put everything on the social media, because we want to eliminate Joker Broker. Please don't be offended because it's true. You will be considered as a Joker Broker if you're not paying attention. You found me on my Facebook, you found me on my YouTube, and you are not reading the full corporate offer in front of you. You're not. And then you come to me, Madam, I have a buyer. Well, did you really watch the video on my YouTube, or did you go to my platform on Facebook? And we don't send pictures and video anymore. Why? I know your tricks. You get the picture from us and then you solicit. I know. I've been watching everyone to find a buyer. We don't send pictures and video. We will send the pictures and the video when the buyer will send a letter of interest called LOI. Now that LOI will signify that the buyer is real. Cut and paste is not acceptable. And we need to know the credential of the buyer, the address of the buyer, because we need to evaluate. We need to validate before the buyer will receive the confirmation of his order. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. This is for export. If you want to buy 1 kilo, keep your money, stay away on gold business, and do not travel to Africa if you are not well prepared. You are buying $500,000 here. If you don't have $500,000 in your bank account, please get out on this business. I'm telling you, I'm very blunt, because I feel sorry for you if you go to Africa, if you go to Ghana, Sierra Leone, Mali, Conakry, Burkina Faso, or Tanzania, or Nairobi, and then you have limited cash, you want to buy 1 kilo, don't travel. I'm going to tell you, you are going to encounter disaster. To travel alone is very expensive. You buy ticket, you stay in the hotel for many days, and then roaming around thinking you can get cheap price. Gold is not cheap. No. Gold is the world asset, my dear, you are buying. So stay away if you don't have the cash. Stay away. I'm telling you. Because if you come to Wilhelmina, you are going to be rejected. Why? When you come to Wilhelmina, my question is, how did you get my number? I'm sure you search on YouTube. Then I'm gonna ask you, did you really listen to the video? Which video? Because I put the date. Did you really read the full corporate offer in front of you? You're gonna see, Madam, where is the full corporate offer? To me, you're an idiot. You're not paying attention. The full corporate offer is in front of you. Click below and subscribe. You read the full corporate offer before you come to Wilhelmina. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the price? You're not paying attention. Whatever the world market price, less 8%. Now, you must remember, I'm not an agency. I am your business facilitator. You must remember, put that into your back of your head. You come, you search, you found this lady because I'm the only person who put my face on the world market. I handle Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you are based in Dubai, Conakry is one stop. Emirates fly direct 3 times a week. If you want tons of gold, we have tons of gold. I would determine which seller I'm going to place you. I am going to be with you from the beginning to the end. However, my services is not for free. It's not. Then you're gonna say, I don't want to pay upfront. There is no upfront. You have to pay whether you like it or not. Mhm. You don't need to come to Wilhelmina that you say, Wilhelmina, I am buying gold, but I don't want to pay upfront. Don't come because gold is money you're buying. You're buying money to make money. So if you're asking no upfront, meaning to say you're a poor guy. Yes, you are. I'm sorry if I'm very blunt. Why? Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. And your business would not function without the supply. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. So you need to pay for it. There is no upfront. You need to travel. You need to book. You deal with us. We will scrutinize you. Before I'm going to send the credential of my seller, I need to know your credential, who you are, what is the name of your company. I need to see your business registration. I need to see your importation license. I need to see your passport copy. I need to see your statement, your bank statement that you have $500,000. If you cannot convince me that you don't have $1,000,000 or $500,000, get out on this business. This is not for you. Mhm. This is not. This is only for a real buyer. Now, recently, I met a buyer from Australia, from Brisbane. I had a meeting, and my seller communicated with this buyer, so I don't want to mention his name. He flew to Brisbane to meet me. We have a good lunch. And I look at this buyer eyeball to eyeball. And I study the language of the buyer. And he said that he has $1,000,000. I said, okay, that's good. And how long you've been in business? His business is importing. And he wanted to buy gold because gold is a really good investment. I told him, yes, that's right. And in fact, I've given him the name of refinery, Gold Brisbane Refinery, top of the National Bank, because I was in the city in Jimmy's on the mall. We're having lunch. So we have a conversation. I detect this guy is a time waster. Mhm. He asked my credential, and I told him, you meet me, you found me on my YouTube channel. My credential is very clear and simple. And you go to my platform on Facebook, you see my credential, who am I? So I given him 1 week to follow up. I said to my seller, you follow up this gentleman. To me, he's not really a buyer. He's a full of bullshit. Mhm. So I'm not here to blah, 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 but I don't want to mention the name of this buyer because I don't want him to be embarrassed. He's from Australia. He's from Queensland. He flew to meet me. I live in Brisbane. So we meet each other. Didn't meet the criteria. I told my seller, don't waste the time of this buyer. He's using you. I already interviewed him. And he cannot even send me his credential. He saw me already. My credential is very clear. To me, he is not a buyer. He's just a time waster. Reject. So another buyer that he found me on my YouTube again. This buyer is from Luxembourg. Mhm. So he sent me his credential. Yeah, this is his credential. I review his credential. Okay, he's registered in Luxembourg, his business, but origin is from Africa. Mhm. Because he has an accent, and his business is on real estate. And everybody approached him to find gold in Africa. And he was been dealing with the seller in Ghana, and he was not comfortable. So when he searched on YouTube, he found this top lady. This is his business credential, but it's not much convincing enough because his credential, I need to know his address and email and where the gold to be delivered. He said to the gold to be delivered in Dubai. He wanted 1 tons of gold. And I told him 1 tons of gold is or more than $1 million. And he said that his financier is the Bank of Luxembourg. I start to wonder. So I told him, send me your credential. He did. Big pages. But there's much information. His full address. Yeah. Email address. I review it and I did send it to my head office. His business registered in Luxembourg. He wanted 1 tons of gold. And I told him, we have tons of gold, but you have to convince Walamina. I want to see the proof of your finances. Then we can do business. This business registrations of the buyer is nothing if the buyer is not convincing enough. If Wilhelmina would not be convincing. Yeah, he sent me his passport copy, a photocopy. He sent me his business registration, but lacking his financial situation, the proof of fund that he must have 15 million in the bank is standby. We need to see the bank statement that he has 15 million or more than million because he is going to buy tons of gold. The bank needs the gold. So he's acting on behalf of the bank. He's buying the gold and then sell it to the bank. We give him the discount. I told him that our selling price less 8%. But because I'm going to travel with you, I do charge my extra service of $20,000. Take it or leave it, non-refundable. Okay? That $20,000 is peanut. You are spending $15 million. And then suddenly, when we have a long conversation before I closed last night, early morning, he said he's not going to pay upfront. There is no upfront. I've given him an option. You trouble, I will monitor your movement 8%. I've given him a very good discount, more than 8%. So I told him, when you resell your gold, when you resell our gold to your customer, which is the bank, your profit is 11,000 per kilo. So you invest $15 million, right? On 1 tons, which is 1,000 kilos. Okay? 1,000 kilos, 11,000 times 1,000. His profit is 1,100,000. And he cannot afford to pay my extra service. And I told him, good luck. Go back to the seller in Ghana. Because he was dealing with the seller in Ghana. So this buyer is just collecting information. And I said to my head office, don't be excited. Because I forwarded his credential. And I said to my seller, don't be excited unless I approve. Because I need to see the buyer has a 15 million standby in his bank account. We need to see the bank statement of the buyer that he has 15 million. Then that is the time I'm going to say to my head office, okay, let us proceed. I told him that I need to review first, then you will receive the confirmation of your order, and you will receive the mining license and the bank and the company profile of the seller. I already sent him the video presentation that which I was in Conakry. But still, this buyer are hesitant to pay my extra. I told him, you don't need to pay my extra service if you cannot afford. I'm sure you would not be able to afford it because we want to see if you have 15 million in your bank account. If you don't have 15 million in your bank account, I I doubt you would get gold from us. Now he's going to deliver the gold to Dubai. Uh-huh. So I told him I need to see who is your receiving, and you need to pay the shipping cost and insurance because this is FOB. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching me, to all buyers, don't play games with us because if you come to Wilhelmina, I'm sure you are going to be rejected. Your credential is nothing. Yeah, this is only a piece of paper. Once I receive your credential, a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund, the most important, will signify that you are a buyer. Without that, I wouldn't believe. Now you're gonna say, oh, I don't trust Africa. Don't. Because most of the big company are already positioning in Africa. Russian mining company is in Burkina Faso. Russian mining company is in Mali. Australian mining companies are everywhere, in Ghana, in Conakry, in Mali, in Sierra Leone. Why? Because they need the gold from Africa. And you are a gold trader, you don't have the money, you're asking no upfront. To me, you are just a bullshitting. Excuse my language if I see this. You are bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. Gold is not for bullshit buyer. This is real. I can guarantee, I can assure you, you will get the gold. Only if I travel with you. Only. But if you don't want to pay my extra, you can travel. I will monitor your movement, less 8%. But if there is an issue, don't come back to Wilhelmina because I'm too far. But if I'm gonna be with you from the beginning to the end, guaranteed you will get the gold. Because I'm going to supervise you. My services is not for free. I've given you free service already. I explain it here on my YouTube and also on my Facebook. You click below, click on the link on Facebook, you will see who am I. So you don't need to ask, Wilhelmina, I need to know your credential. You already met Wilhelmina. Your credential is most important because I need to know your credential. I want to see your credential like this one. I receive a lot of credential. When I review it, reject. I already mentioned on my previous video, do not come to Wilhelmina unless you are certain. Do not. Because if you come to Wilhelmina, you're going to say, Wilhelmina, I need the gold. Yeah, you need the gold. Right? How are you able to pay? Because this is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. This is not LC. You're asking LC, letter of credit, meaning to say you don't have the cash. Gold is cash. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. The country makes the rules. Yes, your money is very important and the gold. They mix together just like husband and wife. Your money will court to the solid money because your paper money has no value. The gold has the value. Can you see the price of gold is getting higher? Can you see that? Before end of September, the gold will turn to 2,700 per ounce. In dollars term, 2,700 times 32.15. In dollars term, this could be. I don't know if you can afford it. So bank now, don't be panic because Wilhelmina will renegotiate the price for you because you're paying my extra service. But if you cannot afford to pay my extra service, how could I assist you? How could I travel with you if you cannot afford? Because you're paying my extra service of $20,000. And you're gonna say, oh, I don't want to pay upfront, therefore get out. Get out on this business because there is no upfront. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. On 2025, I will increase my extra service to $25,000. You must remember, previous year, I charged the buyer $10,000. 2019, $20,000. 2020, 15,000. 2023, 22, 23, I consider 15,000. Today, 2024, 20,000. Why I charge you? You mean to say I have to travel for you for nothing? That 20,000, it covers my expenses. Okay? I am your business facilitator. You must remember, at the same time, I'm the extension of the seller. Now, you have two options. You don't need to pay my $20,000. If you don't like it, you travel 8%. Mhm. So 8%, you can resell it to 2%, you still have 6%. But if I travel with you, you will get more than 8%. Mhm. Come with Wilhelmina, spend money to make money. You are going to make profit, and then you're gonna say, well, Amina, do you think I'm gonna get the profit? Of course. You will not be in business if you don't get the profit. That's silly question. I'm giving you silly answer. You will not get the profit unless you have a capital. If you don't have the capital, and then you are just leveraging, you wouldn't get the profit. Now, Mr. Buyer, don't wait for someone to call you, because we are not chasing you. I'm not chasing you. I just put everything online. Whether you like it or not, at least you meet this tough lady. Yes, I'm very tough. Joker Broker doesn't like Wilhelmina. Too bad. Because I'm not here to make friends. I am here, Mr. Buyer, for you, not for the Joker Broker. No. Those Joker Broker, this is not for you. I'm telling you. So, oh, madam, I have the buyer. I'm the mandate, okay? Create a group chat. I want to interview the buyer. Madam, how much is my commission? You have not convinced Wilhelmina. We don't pay double commission. We don't. Instead, we give the buyer a very good price so that the buyer can get the profit, and the buyer will deal with us for a long term. We are not selling 1 kilo. You must remember, Mr. Buyer, if you are really a gold trader, I want you to build your credibility to us. If you want gold in Mali, we have tons of gold in Mali. In Conakry, we have tons of gold. In Sierra Leone, tons of gold and diamond. I will determine which seller I'm going to put you. However, because you are from Dubai, it's better to come to Conakry, because one stop only. But if you insist to come to Mali, yes, I've been to Mali. Just go on my platform on Facebook. I have a video when I was in Mali. Every time I travel to Conakry, Sierra Leone, and Mali, I always have a video for you guys to believe that my seller is real. And you guys, when you come to Wilhelmina, do not say hi, hello. You need to introduce Wilhelmina. My name is so and so. I'm from China. I'm from Hong Kong. I'm from Europe. I'm from Dubai. You need to introduce, because if you don't know how to introduce yourself, meaning to say you are just a time waster. Time is money, Mr. Baya. You are serious. I'm also serious. So if you are from Dubai, you download Botem. I want to see you by live video call. I want to see you. You already see Wilhelmina. Do not use fake picture, because I don't believe it. I want to see your live face, whether you meet the criteria or not. Meaning to say, when you come to me, you already found Wilhelmina on my YouTube, and you already been to my Facebook. So I want you to read the full corporate offer. Do not come to Wilhelmina unless you are well prepared, because I'm very, very strict. You're gonna say, oh, Wilhelmina, why are you always on YouTube? Yes, I'm the one who promote Africa. I was the one. I used to be on real estate. I was the one who tell the world that Africa is the main source, because Africa has been tarnished. Tarnished by the seller, tarnished by the buyer. Some seller in Africa are also a scammer. Scam means lie and deceive you. Yes. But if you're gonna be with Wilhelmina, I will travel ahead of time to meet you on the ground. And I'm gonna talk to the head office that, hi, I'm bringing buyer here. Make sure that the buyer is happy. Because if the buyer is not happy, the buyer will not come back. To all sellers, if you watch Wilhelmina, do your job as well. Do not offer fake offer to international buyer, because there's a lot of international buyer has been cheated by the seller in Africa. I don't want to mention your name, Mr. Buyer. You went to Sierra Leone, you went to Conakry, you went to Ghana, you went to Mali. You already met Wilhelmina in Dubai when I was in Dubai. I met a German guy, he's bullshit. I met a guy from Holland, he's also bullshit. I met him in Jibora Hotel. Every time I travel to Africa, I always stop over in Dubai because I want to meet those potential buyer. They didn't meet the criteria. There was a Pumi. He's been in Dubai for 7 years looking for opportunity, and he come to see me. I invited him to come to Holiday Inn, and we have lunch. He cannot even afford to pay his lunch, charged to my account. My goodness, guys! If you meet Wilhelmina on the ground, if you meet Wilhelmina in Dubai, make sure you pay your food, eh? Make sure when you drink, you pay your drink. Because just like this guy from Australia, and we have lunch, I paid for it. I never go out without money into my pocket. I never go out without available money in my wallet. If I'll pay you lunch, meaning to say, you showed to me that you are not really a buyer. You don't need to wait for Wilhelmina to pay your drinks. You don't wait for Wilhelmina to pay your food when we meet each other. When a woman paid your lunch, it's a big insult. Yes, because when I invite my client, when I used to be in real estate, I never let my client pay. But you are wanting to see Wilhelmina here in Brisbane. I already met several buyers. To me, he's not a buyer. He's scared to travel to Africa, meaning to say you don't have the balls. I'm a woman, I travel to Africa, I don't have any security guard. Once you are invited, you are a valued customer. I'm not scared. I know my seller. That's why I have to be with you. I can guarantee you. But if you're gonna say, well, Amina, I wanna buy no upfront, get out. You don't have the money. You need to spend money to make money, you must remember. Understand that, Mr. Buyer? To all joker broker, if you don't like my language, too bad. I done it purposely because we want to clean. Africa has been tarnished. Why so many company are in Africa? Chinese, Australian mining company, Italian group of company, German group of company are in Africa. Why? Africa is the main source of supply. Africa is a huge deposit of natural resources. My seller owned the mines. His mine is a lot of gold and diamond. But tell me, how are you able to pay? Because if you're gonna say, well, Amina, I wanna buy gold, no upfront, get out on this business. Don't come to Wilhelmina, because to me you are considered as a crook. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. I think I already explained to you the price of gold is getting higher and higher. If you want to come to my Facebook, click on the link, then you will see who is Wilhelmina. Don't ask my credential, because my credential is already in front of you. I need your credential. You need to convince me so that I can give you a very good price. I will renegotiate the price for you. All right? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening.